Welcome friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today. Welcome, welcome, come and see. English is fun with Pete and me. Clap your hands and shout hooray! English with Pete will play today.
Hello everyone, this is Pete and welcome to English with Ajo Pete. In today's video, we're focusing on adverbs of manner. Before we begin, how do you do your activities? Carefully, quietly, or well? Write your answers in the comments below. Let's get started. Adverbs of manner describe how we do things. To form them, we usually add ly to an adjective. For example, quiet, quietly, quiet, quietly. Here's an example of use in a sentence. She's doing her homework quietly. She's doing her homework quietly. We usually place adverbs of manner at the end of a sentence. It's clear, isn't it? Slow, slowly. Here's an example. He's painting slowly. He's painting slowly. Quick, quickly. Quick, quickly. For instance, they run quickly. They run quickly. Careful, carefully. Careful, carefully. Here's how we use it. He writes carefully. He writes carefully. Bad, badly. Bad, badly. For example, he plays basketball badly. He plays basketball badly. Sometimes we use irregular ones like well from good. Good, well. Here's an example. I play football well. I play football well. It's clear, isn't it? Let's test your knowledge. Complete these sentences with the correct adverb of manner. Are you all set, guys? There you go. Just talking. Is it quiet or quietly? It's quietly. She's talking quietly. Brilliant. He's walking. Is it carefully or careful? It's carefully. He's walking carefully. Spot on. He's running. Is it quick or quickly? It's quickly. He's running quickly. Splendid. He's skateboarding. Is it well or goodly? It's well. She's skateboarding well. Fantastic. He's singing. Is it well or badly? It's badly. He's singing badly. Superb. Splendid work, everyone. Now you can describe actions more precisely. Don't forget to give a big like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Cheers, mate.
English is